How to use a Visa gift card on Roblox. For this, open a browser that you prefer and search for Roblox and make sure that you are logged in into your Roblox account. Now to use your Visa gift card, first and foremost, you have to purchase some of the Robux. For that, tap on the Robux tab and wait for it to load. As you will find a lot of packages that you can purchase from and also some of the subscription that you can purchase. For an example, I'll be subscribing to this first one with $4.99. On to the next step of selecting our payment method, go ahead and select the payment method of your credit card. From all of this list, tap on credit card option, that is the first one. Now you have to go ahead and fill out this form layout. Firstly, go ahead and enter your email address right in this dialog box. After that, write your card information, then your expiration date right in this box and also your CVC. Also add your card holder name, then select your country or region. After that, tap on this box agreeing to the terms and conditions of Roblox. Then tap on subscribe. And just like that, you'll be able to use a Visa gift card on Roblox. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.